Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel where we explore fun educational toy and learning tools for kids. Today we're checking out the CurioSprout interactive alphabet activity book. It's a Montessori style busy book designed for toddler age 2 year to above and above, perfect for learning and hand-on play and developing writing skill. Inside this Velcro learning book, you will find colorful alphabet pages, reusable tracing sheets, and interactive matching activities that help little ones recognize letters from A to Z. So each page is made with high quality durable material, so your toddler can play, peel, and stick again and again. And this is not just a toy, it's a complete educational quiet book that boosts fine motor skills, improve hand-eye coordination, and introduce phonics in a fun way. The Velcro design encourages independence and it's travel friendly, perfect for car rides, flight, or quiet playtime at home. Parents love that it's reusable, mesh free, and keeps kids away from screen while learning. It's a wonderful Montessori inspired learning binder that combines fun and educations. And this book is ideal for a toddler 2 to 5 years old, whether they are starting to learn alphabet or improving their writing and matching skills. If you are looking for a engaging and educational gift, the Curious Browse interactive alphabet activity books is a must-have for every curious learner. So guys, I highly recommend it, and if you want to purchase this product, then I shall link is in description box, so you can check it out. So guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more honesty toy review and learning recommendation. Tell me in the comment what's your child favorite way to learn the alphabet. Till then, bye, take care guys. Thank you for watching my video.